What I'm doing is just bumping the hair. Yeah, I love my nails 'cause I use my nails for a lot of my comb out. Next, please. Yep. Mona, I'm gonna call you probably Friday. I have some availability. I'm gonna shoot you a text shortly. So this is her look. I get ready. And also, if you have your little trick, if you have any hair fibers, this is your best friend. I love this because it covers up my imperfection. See, y'all really can't tell. See, you really can't tell it now. Not finished. This is the end result, guys. You can't even tell she's thin. This is a by Carafina. It's a holding spray. It has a humidity blocker in it as well. I love it. I do a lot of my curling with that. Very easy, simple, low maintenance. And we are done. Rule of thumb, I was just doing this because I'm live, but if your clients have short hair, they should not sit in a chair no longer than 20 minutes. Anything longer than that, 30, 45 minutes, come see me because these are quick and easy styles. Get in and get them out. This is her own signature style that fits her. Is super beautiful. See, you see the front, she's kind of edgy, so that fits her because she's an edgy chick. Yeah, so. And the line just seals the deal. So, if you like what you see, they're saying if you like what you see what you like, hit me up. This is Mavis Peaks. I'm on Style Seat. You can inbox me, set up your appointment. You can go to Facebook. You can go to Style Seat, Square. So I'm on all three places where you can book me. Just take my razor again and just clean up any areas. Overall, she's good, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me today. She's simply beautiful. Again, another thing, she found me using hashtags. Anytime you post a picture, use at least 15 to 20 hashtags because she moved from Atlanta and what did you key in? I think Riley's the hairstylist, and guess what? One of the hairstylists I did use, Riley hairstylist. So again, use them hashtags because they really do work. Again, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Short hair pixie chick, that's me. And if you like what you see, if you see what you like, come and see me. But she's simply beautiful. Again, thank you guys. Have a good evening, good day. But yeah, it's cute. Okay.